Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying that Tosca and Chrome are compatible and why that matters for API hooks. Once done, enable developer mode in Chrome, / extensions. This unlocks local installs. Make sure you have the Tosca extension file, CRX or the unpacked folder, and Tosca Commander or X scan running so the browser and Tosca can exchange data. You'll avoid version mismatches by matching bitness and major releases, which prevents silent failures later when the extension tries to inject content scripts. Now install the extension, drag the CRX into Chrome or choose Load Unpacked for the folder and watch the extension appear. After installation, open Options and set the Tosca host and port exactly as Tosca Commander uses. Mismatched ports mean no communication. Grant required permissions, tabs, active tab, and host access for the sites you'll test, so the extension can intercept and highlight DOM elements. Finally, restart Chrome and Tosca. This ensures background scripts establish the necessary WebSocket or HTTP link. Finish by validating the connection. Use Tosca to capture a page element and confirm the extension highlights the element and returns DOM attributes. If it fails, check the extension console logs in Chrome, / extensions, click background page, then verify host / port, developer mode, and firewall rules aren't blocking sockets. If problems persist, reload the extension, clear Chrome cache, and restart both Chrome and Tosca. This often reinitializes scripts and resolves handshake issues quickly. If still broken, toggle permissions and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.